Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 3, End of Module Project 1 assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Save and rename. Save the file with 2 instead of 1 in the name. Step 2. Update name. Ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 3. Orders worksheet. Rename the worksheet to Orders and Inventory. Unfreeze the top 2 rows, middle align cell A1. Move contents from K2 to A2. Insert today's date in B2 using Now. Step 4. Formatting. Merge A3, rotate text 90 degrees, set column A width to 5. Copy formatting from B5 to B7. Decrease indent in B8, copy values from C26 to C8, delete row 26.
Step 5. Calculations and sparklines. Use goal. Seek to set C11 to 300 by changing C7. Insert a line sparkline in H4 based on C4. Fill H5, change color to gold, add markers in green. Copy formula from K4 to K5. Step 6. Formulas. In C12, divide August orders C9 by total orders I9 and copy to DA12. Insert column sparkline in H15 based on C15. Display high-low points, fill H16. Copy formula from I15 to I16. Step 7. Chart. Change chart in J10 to a pie chart. Title Average Orders Per Month. Add outside-in data labels. Step 8. Save and submit. Save changes. Close the workbook and submit as directed.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.